Damn! Do you see it? What's up guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to upgrade my steering wheel with a handmade M-style steering wheel cover, and also I'm going to wrap my steering wheel trim with a carbon fiber look. I'm Luca. This is my Bmw E46. Let's start.
Alright guys, and this is how I remove my steering wheel. And if you want to do it by your own, you can simply check. There are a bunch of videos on the internet on how to do it. Actually, I saw the 50 skits guide to remove the steering wheel, and that's everything you need to know. With this being said, let's continue working inside of the house.
time to put the cover on the steering wheel. Alright guys, check this out. It turned out amazing. But it's pretty late, it's almost 1 AM, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow in the morning. Alright guys, I'm inside of the house because it's pretty windy today outside, so I can record. And here I have my steering wheel, which I'm going to install right now on the car and see what it looks like. But before doing that, I want to say thank you to all the people who are watching the video. And this is actually my first video on YouTube, so if you like the content and if you like the format of my video, consider subscribe and hit the like button on this video. I'm a beginner, so your support is like gold for me to make better content every time. Alright, let's go to the car. Oh. Alright guys, the steering wheel is installed, but before showing it to you, I want to reattach the battery, and hopefully the airbag won't blow up in my face when I turn on the ignition. Alright, so let's start it and see if the airbag blow up in my face. So I realized that my heart attack was caused by a loose connection with the battery. We solved it, so with this being said, let's give her a second chance. Oh yeah. Alright guys,
In the next videos, I'm going to install a cold air intake with a custom-made airbox, and also I'm going to modify my exhaust to make my car even louder. And if you don't want to miss these videos, please subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss anything. Also, comment down below in the comment section what did you like and what you didn't like about the video, so next time I will do a better job. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.